whenever you're ready.
All right. What's going on, guys? CH from Homebrew for Life. Welcome to this week's episode. We're going to be doing a blind taste contest with Ballast Point California Kolsch and Keystone Light. I was at Roundtable last week and there was a pitcher of beer there and I took a sip and I could have sworn it was Keystone Light and somebody told me it was Ballast Point. And I got really upset, and then they bought me pizza and I wasn't upset anymore. What we're doing today is a blind taste contest for $100. The people coming over right now, they all think they can taste the difference between this college beer pong beer and this craft beer. To me, I can't tell the difference. I think it's the exact same. Here's our first participant. First up of the day is teoleo. First thing out of the gate, this dude just beat cancer. He beat testicular cancer. We're all proud of you.
Knocked it out, hey.
He knocked it out. We're proud of you.
Rounds.
The good news is that he beat cancer. The bad news is he's about to lose $100.
Oh shit.
Got a hundy on it.
All right. All right, so here we go. So the name of the game is that we're gonna have three out here. We've got two Keystone and we've got two Ballast Point. I'm gonna pull one of them away and we're not gonna tell him. And he's gotta guess all of these three to win this right here, $100.
Wait, so I've got to just...
I'm gonna hand up to you. Just put your hands out. There you go. Kev, you got him? Smell it. I don't know if it's gonna weigh any differently,
Yeah,
but
you never know, man.
you never know.
Blind
All
weight
right.
test. This one's heavier.
Oh, my strong hand.
My strong hand, child.
I'm Hanson. I'm the caretaker.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, crap.
Does it smell like blindfold?
And you got one more. Let me know when you're ready.
It's down in.
Here you go, sir.
Oh, it's not right.
Is it tough? Is it easy? Do you know?
All right. I'm gonna say that's Ballast.
Okay.
And I'm gonna say, wait, so yeah, Ballast, and both these were Keystone or something. Really?
And you blow it! And you blow it!
Get out.
Do you think you can tell the difference between Keystone Light and Ballast Point Kolsch?
It would be better if I was blackout wasted, but let's give it a shot. I'm pretty sober.
Okay, let's do it. So I'm gonna hand you one right here. Put two hands out. Here's two of the three, sister. Give it a smell, weigh it out.
Fuck.
Right now?
Fuck, man. Those are pretty
Crazy
close.
Top Gun.
What tastes better of the two, or do they taste the same?
They taste the same to me.
So $50
Are these both
beer?
Keystone?
Well, just wait. You've got
Where's
one.
the other one?
This is the third one. Third and final.
Yeah.
It's like the.
Go ahead and drink it like Trump drinks it.
Oh, wait. Fucking hell, dude. They all taste the same to me. Fucking hell, dude. They all taste the same to me.
That's it. Einhorn is Finkel. Finkel is Einhorn.
I'm gonna say Keystone. I think you doubled up on Keystone here and this was Ballast. Am I way off?
You couldn't have been any more wrong. Well, thanks for playing. That's all the time we have. The four. This is Javi Loco. Javi, shout out. There it is.
What's happening?
He's got his glasses on. He's ready to rock and roll. He's always ready. K is for Keystone. B is for Ballast Point Kolsch.
Can't see that.
We're talking to
For the
the.
audience.
Yeah.
For the
It's for the hearing impaired.
Hopefully people at home will drink along as well.
Don't drink it, it's poison.
My uncle and I used to play a game like this. There was no beer involved though.
Is it easy?
I think I might have it.
All right, you got one more?
Third wheel here.
I got it.
Oh, yeah, but he's gonna shoot it.
Oh.
Yeah, it isn't that shaky. It's not that
Show
much.
the home audience there a little bit, yeah.
So they're still in that order if you put that off to the right.
Okay. Keystone, Ballast, Keystone.
But that was the closest.
Move this man!
Someone's got. That's the closest. Yeah. It's tough, right?
Good job.
I want to hear a little thought process before you answer. Give me what you think it is.
Okay. I feel like these two taste the same.
Okay.
This one's tastes different from the other two.
Which one tastes better or worse?
They're both about the same as far as taste-wise, so if you want to save money, go with the cheaper one.
But which is what?
Alright, here we go.
So they both
Alright.
great.
Yeah.
Do it again.
Okay.
Try them all again.
No, I think I...
Okay.
Alright.
I got whiskey in the back too if you want a palate cleanser.
Keystone and Ballast points. Way wrong.
Damn, I thought you were gonna get it.
I know.
Yeah.
Oh, you knew they tasted the same.
So are you ever?
At least you know the two are
Yeah.
the same.
Yeah.
You could distinguish it. You just didn't know which was better.
Right.
That's heavy. That's spot on.
Yeah, good job.
Yeah,
Shit.
dude.
Are you ever gonna buy Ballast Point Kolsch?
No, I wouldn't buy any Ballast point at this point.
So,
Yeah.
It's a good answer. Are we on that? We're on that. We're rolling. John Goman's a professional skateboarder. Professional skateboarder. More importantly, he's a professional sweet boy. Ooh! John Goman, aka Trevor Belmont.
Sorry, can I get my ale? It's just that I think I'm sobering up.
You ready to rock and roll?
Yes.
Okay, so. No. There's no label on that. We were gonna fuck with you, but we're not gonna fuck with you. We decided not to fuck with you. Okay, John, hands up. Hands up. There's one. Right hand. Well, keep, yeah. There.
No. Take the cup. Here. Yeah.
You take it.
You take the
You
here.
take it. You want?
No. You.
Well, keep, yeah. There. Myra's. It's 50-cent beer or it's.
Alright, I could fail, but okay. Alright.
$2 or 50 cents.
So, what kind of beers are they? What kind of beers are they?
Don't say that, just try them.
Okay.
Okay, well, we're gonna edit this out. One of them's Keystone Light, one of them's Ballast Point Kolsch.
Okay.
It's gonna take him 40 minutes. It's gonna take him 40 minutes.
You're not cooking.
He's gonna cook a hot dog and then he's gonna give us the answer.
You have 3 to
choose from though.
Yeah, so there's another one on the right.
So you try
Oh,
those
really?
two and then you
Yeah,
go.
so
I would assume that.
don't say it yet. Just put these
You gotta try
down.
all 3 and
Yeah,
then
you can take your
and
time
you
with
get
it.
your guess.
I didn't say drink them all. Jeez.
This is gonna be the clip where it's like half a second long, and he's gonna be like, these ones.
You wanna try the third one?
Sure.
Okay, you wanna set those down here?
Yeah, but no.
Well, you have to set one down. You don't have 3 hands.
I'm assuming that this one is the Keystone, but it's hard because I can't taste the third. So far, I like this one.
God damn it! Then put it down, and I'll give you the third.
But that one's better than that one in my opinion.
Okay, so try this one.
Fair enough.
Which one's the best so far? If you're unfamiliar with the beers, how are you distinguishing them by taste?
Yeah, how's
It's hard. They all are similar. Like
They taste and smell the same.
not the same, but similar. But it's hard when there's 3. When there's 2, I can like tell better.
So which one do you think these are?
Well, that was my least favorite still.
The one you put down?
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm guessing that one is the Keystone that I put down. But again, I can't tell.
Okay.
Actually, this one I'm liking less. So I would say, like, lower, medium, better.
So just answer the question. Okay, so which one's in your life? Is that Keystone or Ballast Point? You said that's
I don't know which one the other brewery is.
There's only 2 types. But we
Well,
threw
one's
in
Keystone, one's there's. I'm drinking 3 things though.
Right,
No.
so-
But 2 of them are the same one.
Yeah, to throw it.
To throw me off. Okay.
Yeah, to not make it 50-50.
Gotcha.
Okay. Kick fit black side tail down the spinal
Oh, I
tap
didn't
rail.
know that. So okay. Did I say this one?
You can say whichever ones you have in your hand or whatever is on the table. Should have been here for a couple of days.
Yeah, I would have been briefed. Okay.
Really trying to get free booze in there.
I'm gonna guess that this is the Ballast Point one. I'm gonna guess this is Keystone.
And what's the other one?
You said there were 2 beers.
Get off the scale.
The other one's either Keystone or Ballast Point.
Because it could be 2 Ballast Points, or it could be 2 Keystones in one.
Yeah, there's 2 beers but 3 tries.
This one's my favorite. I don't know, and I'm assuming that this might be the Ballast Point. This one tastes more like Keystone.
Okay, what about the one you put down?
I don't remember. I thought.
Then try it again. Put your hand out.
I'm telling you, they're similar. Now you're just confusing.
Okay,
me.
now just try the one on your right.
It's the same. They're similar. Like I can't fully tell the difference. I get what you're trying to do here.
Just try it and then say which it's A or B. Keystone or Ballast?
These are free beers.
I prefer this one.
So you're saying Ballast or Keystone?
I think this is Ballast. I still think this is Keystone.
We're just gonna say that you were the closest, but you're wrong. We're stopping with that. Good job, John. Yeah.
See why you don't flush condoms down that toilet.
Jesus.
I don't even know what that means, but I'm just going with it. Okay, Kevin Alexander, he was behind the curtain. He was filming this whole time. We probably drank more Keystone than anybody ever in college, so do you think you have an advantage of this, or do you know what it tastes like?
I should, I think, yeah.
Do you know what both beers taste like?
No. I mean, I'm assuming they did the same after watching everyone else go, yeah.
All right, here we go.
So we'll see.
All right, I'm gonna give you. You got it?
Got it. All right.
Is this the girl? Stay where you are, baby.
Right there, stop.
All right.
You haven't really been drinking either, right?
Not at all.
Never was. This is his first beers in the history of his life.
Am I drinking on the tape? What's going on?
You're good?
All right.
Let me know when you want the other one.
All right. Let's get the other one.
Fresh, clean glasses that 6 people put their mouths on before you. What do you think right now? Do you think we fucked?
I thought I knew, and then I, cycled back to number 1, and they all taste exactly the same.
They taste exactly the same.
So I'm just gonna go for a wild guess. I'm going for Ballast and both Keystone.
But why did you say it? Because that's just a little bit different? That's just a little bit different?
When I first tasted it, I thought it tasted a little bit different.
So you just stuck with that?
But then when I cycled back, it tasted exactly the same. So I just went with what I thought maybe tasted a little different.
Okay, cool. Well, you guessed right. Hi, baby. All right, guys, so that was it. Thanks for watching this week's episode. Thank you for watching this week's episode. What's the verdict? What do you guys prefer, Keystone Light or Ballast Point? If you guys like this video, subscribe to our channel. If you don't like this video, subscribe anyway and smash that like button. Tell all your friends. New videos every Wednesday night. Cheers to eating good.
Drink good.
Thanks for watching. Tune in next week. Ugh, that's it. Was that good?
Yeah.
Cool.
I feel like I